Hello and welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. So today I am here in my kitchen garden. This is my bay leaf, and so what I am going to share with you a grilled chicken recipe. It's summer, and actually I don't like to eat outside much, and I need something very tasty, some evening snack. So what I did, I had some lettuce mix and some grilled chicken. So keeping in mind the health and the taste, I am preparing a very quick salad. It's, you can say, a little bit of cheating because I am going to use mayo as well. Let's do the cooking, and subscribe my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu in YouTube, and check out in Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen, Facebook page Madhurima's Kitchen. If you want to give order to me, the food order, do let me know through Zomato or directly contact me Madhurima's Kitchen. So let's go to the recipe. Cut the chicken into thin strips and season with black pepper powder, salt and cumin powder. And don't forget to add some hang curd. If you don't have hang curd, you can use vinegar or you can use lemon juice as well, but I prefer the hang curd. I had half of the left tomato, so I diced it, and I had some coriander, chopped it as well, and then a small onion, so I made it some dice. I'll use it in the salad. In a grill pan, I just add some olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use any vegetable oil, but olive oil is better as I am preparing a salad. So just saute the chicken and the veggies I just chopped. Chicken strips won't take much time to be soft and white, so fry till they're white, and then you have to chop in small pieces. If you don't want to, that's okay, but I want the small dices. And I got this salad mix from Spencer, South City Spencer. So it has rocket leaf, lettuce leaf, red lettuce and iceberg lettuce. So you can have it from there also. Oh, by the way, there was cherry tomato as well in the mixture, the lettuce mix. So I had that. And now I am adding the grilled chicken and the tomatoes I had. Some of them were sauté and some was raw. And I sprinkle with some mixed herb, and I use Thousand Island dip because with the salad, Thousand Island dip is really yummy. You can use this or you can use the dip in your choice, but I'll prefer the Thousand Island dip, and it will the taste will be like restaurant. So that is the secret. And the grilled chicken salad is ready to serve.